Samsung Galaxy Buds Review. Small buds with a big sound. True wireless headphones are one of the biggest trends in audio right now, with the major headphone brands attempting to claim a piece of the action following the introduction and subsequent success of Apple AirPods. And while the Samsung Galaxy Buds are the South Korean firm's next big play in the true wireless headphones markets, they are not Samsung's first attempt at true wireless. The company has produced 2 generations of the Gear Icon X. Samsung Galaxy Buds at Amazon for $129.99. What separates the Galaxy Buds from the Icon X, however, is that the latter does away with that Gear branding and makes these earbuds part of the Galaxy family alongside the new Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus and Galaxy S10 E3 handsets, which offer up a neat trick with the buds, but more on that later. Price and availability. The Samsung Galaxy Buds are available to pre-order for $149, £139/$249/AED $479, making them slightly cheaper than Apple's AirPods. The Samsung Galaxy Buds release date is set for March 8 in the US, UK and the Middle East. If you had pre-ordered a Samsung Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus or Galaxy S10e, you might have also gotten a free pair of Galaxy Buds thrown in. This offer ended on March 7 or while supplies lasted. This seems to be the only way to pre-order the Buds in Australia right now, with currently no option to reserve a pair of Galaxy Buds on their own. Design. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Buds look very attractive, with the